Welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited chests in the boss on Shadow Wings boss raid adventure thing, how to get unlimited chests when you beat the boss. Now I've already got some saved up here, and for example here, the giant 99998 platinum chests, and usually you can only get these when you've beat a boss. So let's say I beat the boss, I come to the screen where it shows me my score, and then I just refresh the page there. So then it'll come into this form here of like the monster, and then you want to go claim on the monster. For example, I'll show you on this one with the legendary chest, you go claim, and then there's 5, so you say open, and now once you just hit refresh, and now you hit refresh, and then now you can go through the same process, and you join the party, you go back, and then now you have 5 legendary chests. Now I'll show you how to make it a legit, not a legit amount, but make it a massive amount that you can actually use, that are real and usable. So the first step you want to do is right click, inspect, go source, index. Remember, if this doesn't work for you, watch my video on how to use FIREFOX. It's so easy, and then just follow the steps. It's so easy, FIREFOX, but I prefer Chrome. So now you open this. Once this loads, you open Pretty Print. So you go Apps, Instabundle, Browser Mobile.js. Just freeze it here and follow the drop downs here, just so you don't get confused. Just follow the drop downs. Now you click, once you follow the drop downs, you click Pretty Print. This will pop up. Then click Control F and paste in chests remaining equals p.value. Chests as a many, so there's an S. Just pause it 1080p and look at how I typed it. Cool. And now once you see it, you'll see it here, and you want to add the break directly to the left of it. Now once you've done that, you want to click claim, and then all these entity local entity databases should pop up. So first you want to open P. Where's P? P is right here, and you want to copy this, the key for P. Now Control C, and you want to copy it somewhere. These are the old ones. This, and you want to copy it somewhere. So this is your first entity, and then your second one, you want to go into Y. Where's Y? Y is over here, and you want to copy this key. Control C. Cool, so now you got both keys. Now if you look, the top key is how many chests you get, the bottom key is what chests have been opened. You need to save these keys and have them readily available. Now once you've done this, you can remove the break, you can carry on, you can close this, and then I'll just say refresh the page. Now once you've refreshed the page, the game should just load up. Now you got character, and just do the general inspect to open the query, and then you open sort. So right click, inspect element, click source, open index, open apps, Instabundle, browser mobile.js, Pretty Print. It's a lot of the same methods, but small differences. I'm sorry if you could hear the horn at the back. Now click Control F and type query.prototype.run. Now once you see this, just make sure above and below is exactly the same code. You add a break just on var rt equals this. You add a break there, and then you equipped the character. Once you put the break, you equipped. Should go slightly darker and freeze. Now you want to open E, and I found a way to read how to go through this code. For example, if you want to find E575, E575451. So E, it first goes all the numbers. So for example, up here's 11, here's 67, here's 324, here's 9080. It just goes bigger. It's so easy to read. People find it hard, but now they know the method is easy. So we're looking for E01D. So A, B, C, D, E01D. So here's the first one. Where's the second one? E57, E. Where's 57? 557 is it? Or 54? 575. Oh, that's a different one. 575 is here. So now that you have both of them open, this is the, if you open a chest, it'll pop up here. I'll show you how that works later on. So here, value, let's do a massive number. 1, 2, 3, just under 1 million. And as all the other ones, you just gotta chuck it in like 5 times. Always hit enter once you hit the numbers in. Now once it's staged, you hit again, should jump up on the side with the sparks. Now it's good. Now here, last time, 999, 1, 2, 3, enter, hit play. It stays the same. Now you can remove the break, hit play one more time, close it, go back. Now it should be good. Now you just have to open up the raid through, I've lit through leaderboards, join, play, and then once it's here, we're good. Now I have this open and boom, look at all these chests. Now I'll show you something cool real quick. I'm just gonna claim and I'm gonna open, let's say 5. In your screen I'll just put like 4 times the speed, so it's much faster. 4 times the speed starting now. Okay, now that you guys have seen that they actually work, I'm going to refresh the page one last time. So I've refreshed the page one last time. I'm going to open up the group again. Play. Now open this. Now before you open it this time, you want to right click, inspect, source, index, apps, instabundle, browser. If it doesn't work, try it on Firefox, and if it doesn't work anymore or you don't think it works, join the Discord. The Discord's very helpful. I'll mention it again later. You gotta click pretty print, this pops up, Control F, and then you want to not type that in. Alright, sorry about that, before my computer completely crashed, but now I'm at the exact same part. I just restarted the game. Now I'm gonna type in chest remaining equals p value, add the break here. Once the break's there, you want to open the chest, click claim. All these should pop up. Now I'll show you the cool part. So you want to go to object Y, and these are the chests you've opened. So each section on here, once it opens, has 25 on. So every time you get to 24 used and you only got 1 left to open, you want to delete this. I mean, I'm dumb, so this is the ones you've opened. So you want to delete this. So okay, so you just want to delete this. So good. Now that means none of them have been opened. Now go to P. P is how many you've left. So see, I've used 6, got some left. Now I can carry on, and all of them should be able to be opened. Now I can remove the break. I forgot. Now you can click resume, and you can just open them. So I'll tell you one last summary of this. You need to beat the boss, get the boss open the chests, then you want to restart the game. Kit's never seen that before. Then you want to restart the game. And then once you restart the game, you want to go to open it, and then before you click open chest, you want to add this chest remaining equals PV value. Then you want to put a break there, and then you want to open from the break, and then that's the first time you'll see all the lists on the side. You go to object P and object Y. You copy the IDs down here, and then once you have the IDs, you go to your character and do the character equipping way to open up your entire user database. Once you open up all of that, then you have to change the amount you can have to just 1 under 1 million, and if you do that a few times so it saves. Once it saves, then you have to make sure that once it saves, then it will be 9 million, 9 whatever, a big number. And then once you get there, you want to open up the when you get to the stage where it has a box and you click claim, you go back and put this break here. You put this break here, you put a break here, and then you click claim. And then if you've already opened some, then you go to object and you remove what I just removed before. You remove those numbers, and just remember, do not open all of them. Always leave one closed. If you open all of them, then it'll mess up. So always leave one closed, and then when you go to open the last one on the page, you go there and you remove all the numbers on the side that you saw before, and perfect. Then all will be closed. You can keep going. If you get confused, join the Discord. If you need help, comment. And if I can't help you, join the Discord. If I can't help you in the comments, join the Discord. Every problem you have, join the Discord. Look at it right here. We're a lovely bunch of people. Everyone's here. We got frequently asked questions. We've got useful IDs. We've got working hacks. A list of all the working hacks, all the new uploads, the general, and help for hacking. Shout out to these 30 people. These are 400 people offline right now, but that's besides the point. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you get stuck, I'm here to help. Comment, join the Discord. Peace.